I was driving through a facility of about 100 units and saw several abandoned units with the door open and all the stuff inside, like about 20. Is this a sign of mismanaged facility? Yes, that is definitely a sign of mismanaged facility. If you see the doors are open and you can see all the stuff inside, then whoever's supposed to be taking care of that is not taking care of it. So yes, that's a mismanaged facility. But a mismanaged facility really is they either don't, they cannot provide a P&L, a balance sheet. They don't want to give you tax returns. They have no numbers to show you. They can't give you a rent roll, or they can give you a rent roll and they're not charging what they should be charging. So for me personally, the one that we have under contract in Florida, that I would consider a mismanaged facility. If you can raise the rents by 50 cents or 40 cents, because like I said, we got that thing under contract for almost $1.8 million, and we're going to just raise the rents by like 40, 45 cents in the next couple of months. It's be worth like $3 million. And they're leaving like $1 million on you, over $1 million on the table. So that to me is considered a mismanaged facility. If you can double the value or triple the value of your property, that to me, in the next year to 2 years, that to me is considered a mismanaged facility. Okay. So yeah, if they don't want to give you any data, then mismanaged facility. If they don't want to give you information, mismanaged facility. Mismanaged facilities are the hardest types of facilities to fund because you have to raise the money. I mean, you can't go to a bank and get a loan for that. Okay, so depending on what the price is, just be aware that a mismanaged facility is hard to fund, and especially if it's like less than 50% full, or there's an economic occupancy of 75%, but only 50% are paying or 40% are paying. I mean, essentially, banks don't want to fund something like that. They want to see that you're increasing the rates, that you're making money on a regular basis, right? That's what they want to see. Okay. And that you can prove to them that you'll be able to pay the mortgage. All right. And yeah, but I mean, I would talk to lenders and just see, just in case, but I say most of them, it's pretty hard to fund.